Okay, here's a fourth example of how to count atoms in a molecule. It's CH3, CH2, bracket, bracket, 2, COOH. And the weird thing about this is like, why did they actually go and write C 3 times and O twice? And this has everything to do with what the molecule ends up looking like. But for right now, there are two groups of CH2. And there's this special group over here, a carboxyl group, and that you may learn later on in senior chemistries. Now, so the way it actually goes to how you actually figured this guy out, remember, it's the same as writing CH3 and then CH2, and again another CH2 and a C and an O and an O and an H. So there it is all again. Or you could simply just put it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4 C's. So C4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. H8 and O1, 2. 2. Same thing. But this doesn't necessarily look the same way as this does. This is giving you an idea what it actually looks like. I'll show you what. So this is butyric acid. This is a chemical that makes the smell of like rotting eggs and rotting meat and all that. It's a disgusting, vomity kind of smell. The actual molecule looks like this. And so what it's showing you is, so the COOH right here is telling you it's that COO attached to the O and attached to the H. So there's my COOH. So that is telling you it's going to end up looking like this. The CH2, this, and there's two of them. Well, there's the one C and the two H's. So there's one of them, and there is the other one. And then finally, we have the CH3, and there's our one C, 1, 2, 3 H's, and that is telling you that. So this specific weird formula is telling you it's going to look like that. That is not our concern right now. Right now, we just want to figure out how do you actually count all that. And so what you do is the same as normal. You go atom and the number. And it's easier than you think. There's there's carbon. And then I go through all this. Oh, there's hydrogen. And I go through, oh, there's hydrogen, yep. And there's oxygen. So there's just those three atoms. They're just the three different types. So what you do is you go, okay, there's one carbon plus two more carbons. So plus 1 carbon times 2, 1 times 2, plus just the one by itself, equals 1 plus 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 equals 4. Okay, hydrogens. So there's the H3, so there's 3 of them, plus bracket, there's 2 hydrogens and 2 groups of it, so it's 2 times 2 hydrogens plus 1 more, equals 3 plus 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 equals 8. And then finally, oxygens. 1, 2, okay, done. For a total of 8 plus 13, no, 14 atoms. Done.